What is your name?
My name is Kananaya Ameldi Lakindanum.
What do you know about science?
Science is a systematic way of learning about the world through observation and experimentation.
Why do you love science?
There's a lot of branches of science like chemistry, physics, and biology, etc. But my favorite is chemistry.
Why do you love chemistry?
I love chemistry because in chemistry there's a lot of discoveries such as how substance and mixture mix.
Can you give us some example of what you know in chemistry?
Yeah, sure. I'll show you miscibility as an example. Miscibility is an ability of two or more substances to mix together to form a homogeneous mixture.
Ang water and vinegar as well as water and soy sauce ay isang halimbawa ng miscible liquids dahil sila ay ganap na naghahalo in all proportion na nagpo-form ng homogeneous solution. Dahil ito sa kanilang similar polarity. Ang water ay mayroong polar solvent at ang vinegar naman ay mayroong acetic acid which is polar kaya kaya nilang tunawin ng isa't isa nang hindi naghihiwalay into layers.
Both water and lemon juice are miscible liquids. Hence, they can be mixed. So lemon juice can dissolve in water.